Electron configuration of Oganesson OG element 118. Meron po dito full of electron configuration of Oganesson OG. Sinulat ko po dito ay 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, 7s, 7p. Yun po ang nilagay ko sa electron configuration. Orbital diagram of Oganesson OG element 118 show its 118 electrons filling orbital in order of increasing energy up to the 7p subshell. Its full of electron configuration is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, 7s, 7p. Dito ang ginawa namin is ginawa ko yung Hund's rule and the Pauli exclusion principle.
A Bohr-Rutherford diagram for Oganesson or OG element 118 has a central nucleus with 118 protons and is surrounded by 118 electrons in 7 shells, with the electron distribution following the pattern of the 7th period of the periodic table. The first shell holds 2 electrons, the second holds 8, the third holds 18, the fourth holds 32, the fifth holds 32 again, the sixth holds 18, and the seventh and outermost shell holds 8 electrons, completing the full outer shell of this noble gas.